Alright people, welcome back to CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Today we face top of the tree. We got knocked off our perch, we got too comfortable at the top. So you know we're coming to get back in blood. Last time we faced them in the season, they came out on top. Let's hope this time's different. Anyway, before war, we must shake hands like men. But let's get into it. Alright people, it's CC versus COG. I hope you're sitting comfortable. This one's a long one. This one's going to be a rough affair. Last time we played them in the season, they won. They're a good outfit. So if they step out like that today, big problems. But we ain't losing.
Well done.
Anyway, today I'm not gonna commentate as much. I want you lot to be there with me. Feel the vibe. Huh? Anyway, Matt rolling with it, doing his thing. Sunlight creeps in.
Hey, Matt, well done.
Anyway, as you can see, the night sky is upon us. The floodlights are on. 1-0 to the mighty CC. But not for long. 1-1, they're back in it. Spicy affair.
Man, these are all our players. If you watch my episode, you see everyone's the same. No one ain't changed.
Cam says that's not today.
Hey, Sam! Yeah.
2-1 to the mighty CC. Anyway, little one of their better players was driving forward.
Good save,
passed
Sam.
it to I think his name's Louis. Decent player as well. I told you the whole team to be fair
Well done,
decent,
Cam.
man.
Move it.
We got Cam.
Hey, love that, man. Fucking hell.
Let's run that one back.
Hey, well done, Cam.
He takes on all the outfield players
Move it.
and finishes.
Hey, love that, man. Fucking hell. Work for it, wait.
3-1 to the boys.
No shot.
Him on the sideline shouting out instructions.
Hey, Matt, well done.
Hey, that effort's tame. Hey, on the day that kid there that had just shot, yeah, he was cold still. Oh, little mistake from Cam, giving it away, but H.
Unlucky, Cam.
Dog with a bone. And they're well defended, they come in 1-on-1.
Hey, Matt, well done.
I think they forget that's Matt at the back. And then Jake recovers.
Unlucky.
The H takes his shot. He's not tall enough. And then they come forward and they have an attack of their
Well
own.
done.
We get lucky
Man
there.
up you, Jay, man.
I left boots on, it's a little bit loose. Unusual. You got a hole in your boot.
Still feeling it from that swing, innit? I see the video, bro. It's jokes.
Hey, well done, Matt.
Matt battling as usual. You know that's nothing different.
Yeah, I told him.
Last week he got injured. He's got shin pads on. 3-1 up and we're still battling as if it's 0-0. But this is the Fives, it can all change within a blink of an eye. They're in the corner battling. Somehow they found a way out. Matt roughing him up.
Hey,
Cam
well done,
roughing
Cam.
him up. The man are not playing today. They're on violence.
Unlucky, Jake. Head up. It's cooking still. Hey, that's a great save.
Hey, Sam with a great save in there. Funny fact, both keepers' names are Sam. Whose is better though?
Yeah, go on. Turn out. Hey, love that,
Scarface,
mate.
you already know the name. 4-1. But they're still popping the ball around. Subs have been made. Me and the boy Liam on the pitch now.
Matt's there, far.
You know when H, Liam, Jake on the same pitch, the ball starts moving fluid. Anyway, they find a way out. It's not mad.
Done him. Yeah, well done.
Those 50-50s and that ref was just giving them, but you know sometimes in life ain't fair.
Yeah, back in, back in.
Hey, this guy was trying to twist and turn on the big dog. Oh shit. Almost fumbled the bag there. But this guy was rapid as well. I think I'm fast. I wouldn't say he's faster, but he's fast. Anyway, their little tricky one gets off a shot. Goes up. 4-1, heads are dropping already. This could be a long day. Anyway, the boy H with it in the middle of the park. Gives it to Matt to Liam. Matt back to H back to Liam. He's in the corner. Sells him a dream.
Oh, Liam.
Somebody's found it in the back of the net. 5-1.
Yeah, stick for you, man. Track him, Liam.
As you can see, we're holding our shape, we're playing together with the strength, man. Ball being moved around. H going forward, trying to find that cute angle. Give it to me. Off the side, man. Ball's still there.
Go corner.
Just use the size and strength to get to the corner. So ball into chipping down.
Yes, Liam, hands there.
H.
Oh, bury it.
Ooh, it's a shout for out of the area. Could have been, should have been, but we move. 5-1 ball just being moved around, having shots at free will. Ball intercepted, just behind Matt. They recover, and they start again. And a ball rolled out, long and wide. Throws it. He's not twisting and turning me, man. Gotta hold on to them.
Yeah, it's good block.
And then you play them riggy players. You just gotta grab them. Or if their ability is better than you just gotta hold on to them. Sometimes in life, you just have to take it. Anyway, they're coming forward. They seem to have found a little pizzazz about them. They're trying to get a 1-2 ball being moved around, but I think we've all got the same idea. Violence. They start again. Ball being rolled out to the big man, Lil. Holds up, gets a little pass off. This player doesn't do him any justice. And then Liam coming forward. Tries to give it to Jake. It's cut out, and they're on their own attack. We start again.
Gotta get back.
Great battling from the boy Jake. Jake's not scared of war. How do you think you got the name Scarface? You find space, and they get one back. 5-2. Slowing down the game, getting us back into our pace. Ball being moved.
Look at Cam.
Ref's not having none of it. He might as well have a yellow shirt on.
Come on, Louis, man.
He's twisting and turning me.
Yeah.
Found his way in. That's 2 goals in quick succession. I told you, in the 5s, anything can happen.
Press.
If you blink, you take that off the ball, they can get back into it. Anyway, Liam in the battle just loses out.
Stay midfield.
They're trying to find a way through.
Never.
But the shape we're playing and the way we're playing, it has to be perfect. Anyway, little one, 1-2.
I make the most of this then.
H on the sideline saying that we got to make most of it.
God, it's gone back.
He ain't lying. I don't look like it was over the line for me, boy. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, get back then.
Alright, good football though. Great football. Don't talk about it. Line it. Nice, Louis.
Keep running, TJ.
Alright, Liam Malocki.
Hang on.
Nice, Cogs, well done. Jordan, back to you. Nice, Cogs is on, feet.
Almost made another mistake. It's cut out.
Left foot, left foot.
Cam coming forward. Twist, turn. It's that left foot. Gets a shot off. Keeper saves. Attempt to save that though.
Well done.
Pick that out, yeah, on your bag. 6-3. It's not even half time. Game's still it's still close though, man. Anything can happen. Like you twist and turn, couple shots, they're back in it. We got to defend more as a bit more as a unit. Not let them loosely run around and that stay with that man. Like there, I've left him, and that ball there was perfect. If Cam's not there to back me up, I'm in problems. I know it's 6-4. They're trying to get the curlers on.
Hey, Jake, right shoulder. Push on him.
See, as you can see, that players ain't bad. It's just today we're on smoke. Hey, Jake twisted and turning on violence. Bit of commotion in there. They're calling for 2 minutes sin bin.
Find you, Cam.
Yeah. Yeah. We got good. No, that's reserve. Lucian. Yeah, we got a good side to be fair. Very good little start. Good game tomorrow. No, you are. You wind people up.
Please, gentlemen. I'm not winding up.
Hey, Jake, love that.
As you can see, we'll just want every ball, every time you use it, we want it back. Come with a bit of trickery there. No way. I don't think that guy's gonna want to see this again. I wouldn't, especially when it ends up. In the back of the net.
Hey.
How greedy. 7-3. Cam moving warm. Whole team's moving warm.
Why no one's told me this story about shooting match? Many of our viewers heard before. Forget after that. Raise an E.
Turn your volume up. I think you're gonna want to hear this. Louis, go ahead.
Why? Boy, it's throwing you off. You can get camera showing. I'm not. I'm playing. Camera don't mean nothing. That's it. You've been getting, yeah? Well done, Matt. Well done, Matt. Stay on him. Stay on him.
They're just keeping the ball in their half, you know. Look at the shape. Somebody's found a way.
Too much space. Unlucky though.
I'm not gonna lie, that goal was a good goal still. that was probably their best player on the day. He was shining through, and he made the difference for them. Anyway, same angle. Tries to get a shot off again. That one's wide.
Hey Sam, well done. Let's go. Move the ball faster.
Oh, that's so easy.
I'm lucky, Jake.
Punters on the sideline saying it's too easy. We make it look easy.
Hopefully you don't get promoted in this one. Make everything more funny.
Two teams go up.
Might be, I don't know. I know shot, man.
With the way they're playing, they're looking for a way back into
reset.
it right now. 7-4, it's only 3 goals in it. We shouldn't get too complacent. Let's be real. Anyway, Cam's collected the ball 1-on-1. You know he's going to use that left foot feint.
I move it.
Shifts his body so well.
Still good. I Cam, well done, man.
Punters on the sideline saying they hate Cam's fake shot. I would as well. Anyway, Matt doesn't have to throw Lil off. No good. Look how the ball's just being moved around. Look where they are in their half. Yeah, Matt with a shot. Easy for the keeper. Tries to get spinners out. Cam gets a little toe on it. Slows it down. Man them back in position.
You might be having the shits.
Yes, Coggin!
Another one in the corner we can't get to. Why so serious? 5-7. There's only 2 goals in it. Let's be real. It can change in the blink of an eye. They can get 2 goals like that. But with the way the man them are playing, it's not looking likely. As you can see, my shooting ability is not the best. But I'll work hard. Liam makes one more mistakes in front of goal. They're getting mad at the boy Louis because he made a mistake. Louis, keep your head up. It's unlucky, mate. 8-5. Wind's blowing. It's getting darker. What's that I smell? Another goal. Get that guy in the back keeper. 9-5. Team stinks of goals. We've gone 4 goals ahead now. From looking a bit shaky to now looking in complete control. It's almost half time. They're just moving the ball. They seem to have to go backwards. They can't penetrate us. They get forward. Sam with a great save. That's probably one of the first battles I've lost out on.
Yeah, well played.
I'm looking for blood now. Anyway, H with it. Not a guy you want to see on the ball, I'm not going to lie, running at you.
Come on.
And then he loses it. Liam's there.
Composure, lads. Composure.
That's not one he's going to want to see back. 9-5, Louis, sounding kind of stressed on the day. Maybe things were going on outside. When he came to football, he just wasn't there. (9-5), not long till half time now. All we got to do is see this one out. Force them home. They got to go round. Nowhere to really go. They've got to keep passing the ball around. He's looking for an inch just to get the shot off. He's found his way forward.
Fuck off, ref, man.
That's what Jake's got to say about it. Shot's unlucky. as the first half draws to a close, they're looking like they're the team that's more on top right now. They're moving the ball. They've got it more. You heard Cam? Liam heard him too. 10-5. Half time.
First half.
10-5, yeah? Lovely. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Didn't you bring it here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Amazing job, guys.
He's got to put the ball about, really, isn't it?
You're making this hangover worth it.
All it was at the end, I want the ball back here. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Don't stay with it.
10-5.
10-5.
Yeah. Yeah, but they're not coming back. So they're not coming back. Or if they do, we're going up 2 more. No, they don't. Hey, that was quick. I know. I'm going.
Come on, boys.
All right. Sit back down. Second half on the way. 10-5. We're live, man. Let me just take this time to say thank you to everyone. We'll start with the higher ups. We got the chairman, always in attendance, always making it happen for us. We got the players then, always turning up, you know, every week, putting in a shift. Big up the ops, because without them we wouldn't be where we are.
Alright, well done.
Big up you guys at home, tuned in, week out, just waiting for us to lose. Anyway, second half on the way now. Cam up to his antics again, slipping, sliding, slimy, yeah, just cutting away. Anyway, little pass back to the boy Els, aka Liam, aka Chippendale, aka he's one of our own. Anyway, the ball's being moved around very well between those 3. I'm just a pawn on the chessboard. I don't make the important moves. You have to sacrifice those. I'm here for it.
Unlucky.
Leaning back too much deadlifts. Anyway, this guy, quick, left me for dead.
Just one of you drop.
Cam got back though. You can hear them complaining, they're not trusting each other, they're not playing like a team.
Go home.
We're battling for one another.
Well done.
We start again.
Bang that.
Living with the spectacular.
Lucky there.
And they roll it long. We stand them up. Ball passed across. They're trying to move it fast. Just seems we'll kick up. And the ball being slowed down. Game management. I've seen the best do it. Anyway, Sam with it. Rolls it out to Jake. They want it back, but we're battling for it back. Gets frustrated, bangs it off the board, loses it. We lose it, we give it back to them cheaply. Then we win it back. That's the type of game this is. Anyway, we find a way out. Ball's being moved around.
Well done.
Reminder, still 10-5.
Oh, deserves the goal.
Off the crossbar. Not gonna lie, the way the boys are playing right now, absolutely beautiful.
Alright, little well done.
Their heads are dropped. They seem to not want it. They give it to him. I would have put my house on that.
Get now.
Now pay close attention because this bit to me is definitely out of the area. Ref, how you didn't see it? I don't know. Anyway, Liam, should be burying those. 10-5. Some of you are just here for the wrestling. Hey, the boys are coming forward fast. Jake in camp, scary sight. Just run over. Anyway, they start fast. They try and go forward. Jake hustling back. Twists and turns, battling.
Love that.
11-5, they're just arguing amongst themselves.
Your team? Your team?
Yeah.
I don't think they lose very often. I think that's why it's getting a bit heated.
What's that?
I don't think they lose very often.
No, they're good players, isn't it? Yeah. You lot are very good, like as a team, innit? That was what I thought in the first half. You just move the ball very well and you like work hard for each other and track your men.
Got to say thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, keep, well done.
Yeah.
Take that.
Oh, come on, boys.
Hey, little smart, man.
That's why we're losing, man. We're getting pumped.
Yeah. That's what he was doing last time, innit? He was better than
The first game, he was crazy,
he was
bro.
crazy. He was like a fish.
Yeah.
Out of water and that.
It's because he came late, man. He didn't have his warm-up.
I'll be written on that man still. I can't flop that!
Guys are just selling tonight, man.
Yeah, no, like, get forward. No, I want to go to Div 1, it'll make it fun, man. Like, then we got Fen and what's the other team? Yeah, then we go. He said they'll come back to him after like all the season. Basically, yeah.
Anyway, Sam rolls it out to the boy H. H letting it down to his pace. Little one inside to Jake. Jake flicks it. H gets it back. Jake gets it back. Back to H to Cam. It's unlucky. Ball still being moved around between the three of them. Jake gets a shot off. That's 12.
Yeah, man, they're not done yet, man. I want blood. This is the warm-up, man. This is the warm-up. Coming Monday night to warm up before the game.
Stretch your legs after Sunday off.
Yeah.
I hear it.
We're going to go for it Sunday, man. They were tired and cramped. Come here and warm up Tuesday game next week.
I hate for the finish. Let's talk about it. He's hit off the wall to get away from my man. He's hit off the wall to keep it in.
Let's go, man. I want blood.
Composed to put it under his legs. As the keeper, I wouldn't want to watch it back. 13-5, they look flat and lethargic. So fuck it, let's make this a party. Jake with another one, 14-5. It's a party at our place. No new faces here. Every face that you've seen tonight, you've seen for the whole season. I can't help availability. Just welcome to the party. 15-5. Jake's warm now. Remember, he took 2 weeks off. He's come back. Was a bit rusty for the last 2 weeks. He's warm now. 15-5. Keep the ball over. I don't think he wants to play no more.
Hey, ref, keep running down the minutes.
Got lasagna on the cooker, man. Let's go.
Hey, that would have taken us a week after a win, you know.
Hey, let me come on. Let me get a little cameo. Hey, let me get a little cameo, please. I've only scored 1 goal.
Hey, get him on. Hey.
Game done, but he wants a cameo.
Yeah, tough.
15-5. They bought another player from another pitch to come and try and come back. Just for Gary Barrett, man. Just for Gary Barrett, not today. 15-5. CC, we're alive. Anyway, this guy, yeah, one of their better players on the day. Made some movements, big impact when he had the ball and that. But it started getting telepathical. We know what he wants to do. He wants to slow it down, shift, use his pace, explosive, get a shot off. I respect it. He's not talking about top of the table by goal difference. They thought they won the league last week.
Nah, next week, but
Well, they need to lose, innit?
yeah, bro, they ain't
Nah, these lot sweat, they ain't losing.
Nah, but it's not even that, bro. They're just playing as a team.
Nah, you should have seen last time we played them, bro. They got smoked. It was bad, man.
More time.
But our team was different, to be fair. We had like Spenny, we just had bare ballers on our team, bro.
Man, I'm living in the past.
Can't lie. You just need something like
I can't lie, Louis.
so on hand, bro.
I shouldn't laugh.
My message in all these players like 5, half 5, 6 o'clock.
It sounds like Louis had enough.
So long, bro. We could have had Martin, Elvis, but fucking Cogs.
Hey, Louis, win saved you there,
I
mate.
think you just shout 5 people. Or even 6 people just for 1 sub, innit? One sub calm.
Yeah, bro. We could have had a calm team, bro. Like, why is he doing that as well? I don't understand.
Who knows? This might be the end of COG. And a little ball across. He tried to send it back to me. Just doesn't reach. Frustration setting in. 15-5, I think they're starting to realise that the game's almost over. But H still wants to party. Anyway, they're coming straight back. It's a great save from the man Sam. Tosh just made it bounce in the air.
Fucking shambles, innit? Just the whole thing, bro. So What's the score, by the way? You got it?
I think that goal energized him. Nah, I don't think he did. 15-6.
Hey boys, the comeback's on!
He took the words right out of my mouth.
Nah, we're doing it Liverpool. It's on, bro. It's on. Trust the process. One more and we're in it.
Believe to the end.
Oh, maybe not then. I thought it was 14.
Back, you know, like 6-0.
I told you, Hayes just wants to party. 15-6, game's not done. They put H in the corner. They haven't learned the lesson yet.
What's going on there? Hey yo, oi, two.
16-6. Keepers had enough. They're walking on. Body language is finished. H is smiling. He wants to have a boogie. Their players look like they're ready to go home. Anyway, let's rock and roll. 16-6. Some rested legs. Maybe they're gonna have a bit of injection now.
It's fine moving around. I can just feel it. Feels a bit. There's a lump there.
You said they wanted this cameo. There it is. It's unlucky. Hey, one thing you can't do is complain to a referee about getting hit in the shin with no shin pads. No good. 16-6, Cam coming forward. Jake with the back heel. They've read it. Recovered possession. NA, more battling going on.
Keep going.
Man, am I running today still? 16-6 and they seem to haven't given up nothing. Not gonna lie, you think it was down. Take it quick. We get one back. 17-6. I don't think there's long left of this game. That's a good shot though. I believe in fives, or even just in football, that there's always time for a comeback until the person with the whistle blows. Pause. But not with the way we're playing today. It's one, there's two. They want to go forward, but it's like they're scared to get caught. Because you get caught out. Because the way when I've been playing, look at that, Sam with the distribution, fast. Ball out to Jake. Liam making the moves. Look at that. Keeper weren't saving that. I'm on the pitch and I'm shying at Saj on the sidelines. I'm telling him we're waiting for Cobra Kai to get back into Div 1. We'll see him there. 17-6. Looks like COG's in the spliff. Can they unwrap themselves? Anyway, keeper saves them. Spun his man. Players found himself on the floor. Anyway, the boy O's just stepping into the area.
No, 100%.
76, last five as you heard. Hey, Cam's still battling.
They've both gone to the ground.
They get one back. 17-7. Come back on. 5 minutes to go. Jake to H. H to Sam. Sam slowing it down. Finds his way with the distribution. Hardly gets it wrong.
Well done, Cam. Hey, Cam, love that, mate.
Cam battling, takes two out of the equation. Off the backboard.
Go on, Jake.
Jake. Ooh. Cool. Then I ended up on the floor there.
Hey, Cam, unlucky.
17-7. I think their legs are gone. They've been there too much running. Come with loads of time and space. Does his man, turns him, gets a shot off. It's wide.
Good. Sweat down, man. Let's play our football.
All being moved around. H with the shot. It's a good save though.
5, 4, 3. And again.
See when there's people like Jake, H, Cam, Liam in the corner, I always back them to get out of there with some sort of swiftness. You put me in the corner,
That's not my fault that you
and I come up fighting like this.
That's a great finish, man. Hey, this guy is come back on. Hopefully.
17-8. Told you they're coming out punching at the corner.
Hey, Matt, well done.
Matt has other ideas though.
Matt, well done.
Hey, it's a great save though. Anyway, 17-8. What? Must be less than 4 minutes, 3 minutes to go. Come back on? Or nah? And a free kick taken, we lose it. They're still trying trickeries in their little bit. Should have punished him there. Hey, Matt with a bit of game management. He's a smart man. 17-8. And the punters on the sideline seem to be having a great time. Watching a great game. Despite the scoreline, it's been a big battle. It's been back and forth. Two teams with great shape, great ability within their camps. But today, only one winner can come out on top. And that's the mighty CC. Hopefully we see them again soon. It's been a great battle. But today we win the war. That takes us back to the top of the tree. Final whistle goes 17-8.
Huh? Oh.
Can I get in? They ain't got none. Hey, this is my normal team.
Watch the tape.
Check the YouTube. Run the tape.
We'll beat you again.
That was a good battle, man. No, you done well, man.
Right.
Sam the man.
Jake, you had 6. You had 6. Liam 4, Cam 3, Harry 2, Matt 2.
How many tackles did I get?
Hey, you can watch tapes back and find that out.
Hey, what is the champions on 3?
I've got one more game.
Yeah, not there yet. Alright, cool. Any dangers? One hand on the cup.
Jake didn't realise.
Alright, everybody scoot down a bit then, please.
It's fair enough.
That way.
That way.
Yeah, so you can fill out the goal. There we go.
One hand on the cup. Come on, man.
There we go.
Hey.
Thanks, boys.
Have a hard thought, boys, man. The game was the bigger. If you saw the things before the game was the bigger. Yeah.
I like it because they started blaming me for every goal what was going in. You know,
At the end of the day, we outplayed.
Brilliant game, sir. Brilliant game. I mean, it's like that one over there.
Now let's take a quick look at the scores all around. Obviously, we done our thing. Crouch Potatoes done their thing against the Young Boys. I think we got them next week. Oh look, it's a shot horror. Dynamo FC beat JCFC. Damn. They must have their original team back. Anyway, that takes us back to the top of the tree. Crouch Potatoes sneaking in, you know. I have noticed Crouch Potatoes have just been there week in, week out, letting us and COG have the top 2 spots. And now they've come out their show. They waited for this game. And now look, let's get it cracking, man. See you all next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.